plasma fire being, then you can literally breathe into your meditation. You can literally breathe life into your DNA. And whatever dormant DNA you have going on will be activated. It's super quick, simple. If you want to go through the process of specifically singling out whatever celestial DNA you think you have to specifically activate that was more the longer process, or seeing the perfect DNA merging with yours. Either way, this whole thing, once you've done it, it happens so fast, but the energetic switch that is turned on, the experiences, it could draw it out. You could immediately be, while your DNA is activating, and just like letting go. Like if you feel like your body, like, so it's more involuntary the more you do this, but you know, like the sine wave movement, or like this movement lately, and when I've been going through it in my DNA activations at this point, at this stage, which I've done pretty much my whole life on and off, DNA activations, meditations, I literally can feel the bottom of my spine like rise up, and then my head come up, and then my body go back down, and in like a sine wave. That's this energy, right? Okay. Or like twitches, muscle spasms, heat. I usually get very, very hot. I usually start cold and end up very hot. Once I'm in this, my energy starts moving. And I'm in the flow of this consciousness. Then you can be whisked off, you can meet your guides, you can literally be told things about where your DNA comes from, what you're specifically connected to, how it resonates with you. You can have like you can see back into your bloodline and see any ritual, magic, or any secrets around your blood that could be revealed to you. So just simply focusing on your DNA, activating it, calling it forward, whether it's with the spark or with the image, it takes you on a whole journey. Like, you will have the most amazing meditations, you will have the most amazing experiences. And so let me get to the physical side effects, because we're at 32 minutes. So, not unlike when I had my ET contact experience and they told me, my dog is going crazy, and they were right. When your DNA is activating, I have personally found, you will crave certain things. Like, you will immediately become aware of something that your body is lacking, and you'll want to eat that, whether you need more minerals, whether you're craving fruit, whether you need more protein, whatever it is. So your taste will change, or you will be attracted to things that are lacking in your body, or you also will be shifted. It just happens, like magnetically pulled. You will just naturally be attracted to new things, like introducing, like you might be a person that hates sushi, and all of a sudden you'll start eating sushi, you know, fish, whatever. And your taste will change, but it will change according to what your body needs to fulfill its perfection, to let it go through this change. You may get really tired, you may feel sick. The energy going through your body, depending on how much shadow work you've done, which I have done shadow work for pretty much my entire journey. I'm just now in a phase where I don't have to do shadow work right now at this moment. I have like little things, like if they come up, can let them go. But I am 34. Am I 34 yet? No, I'm 33. Even my physical vessel and earthly age, I don't really believe in aging, whatever, but I don't believe in aging, but I've been in this physical vessel for 33 years now, in this reality, on this planet. Let's just say it like that. Even though That's not my truth. It's just a truth. Okay, but not the truth. Yeah. So pretty much all through my 20s did shadow work up until, and then probably the last 2 years I haven't really had to do shadow work, but for a good, let's say 12 years of digging through, because I had every sort of disassociative, traumatic type child, early adulthood, my most formative years, a nasty hand, okay? Whether I picked that or not, I don't know. I'm not going into that one, but I don't necessarily, yeah, I'm gonna go off on a rant, but yeah. So I had a lot of